If you be ready to go, why you go open my door like that now? Who opened door for you?
I don't knock now. Nobody dey answer me.
You don't knock, nobody dey answer you. Open my door just like that.
Have mercy on that.
What's happen now?
Only one mosquito bite me.
You tell me say mosquito dey bite you, no fit stay for your house. Na me rent the house give you. Na me be landlord. You know ask your landlord how the compound be before you go pay the house rent.
Hey! I don't tell her. You know what answer me.
So how you gonna take concern me?
Because na so na dey take me for this compound. I mean, I don't tire. I never even someone.
You never see anything.
I saw with the manage am now. We don't dey used to the mosquito now, but for me, I don't flit my house. Mosquito no fit bite me for my house.
You are a bad boy.
Go meet your landlord now. But you
say you don't flit my
house. I don't flit my house. What you can concern you first?
But I fit spend the night for yourself.
Ah!
I mean, tomorrow morning I'm going to eat about the phone. So even have to go buy the food. I will buy now.
You want to spend the night for my house?
If you don't repent, fire will damage your hands forever.
Only go. So your girlfriend no go come here all the time.
For what?
You can be girlfriend. What you concern girlfriend? Are you give me the girlfriend? You can be girlfriend. No be that one be my own problem. Say you know say you see as the weather be today, abi? Say you know as the weather say be.
You are a bad boy.
Neighbor, wait for now. The same way the way I take difference and I feel take different. So we're not going to help ourselves.
We will know how to go take help ourselves.
You are a bad guy.
And that one good, sir. That one good. That one a good idea. Oh yeah, man. See my room for that side.
I want to tell me we can come pass. I know your house.
The way your landlord they build your own, night they build everybody own. If you follow like this, my room they that side. Come pass.
Sure?
If you don't repent,
like this,
fire will damage your hands forever.
Ah, eskele bebe, ti o le bebe.
Not be juju be that.
Oh, God, have mercy on that.
This rain away from.
The work is done.
Go find work, this man, go find work.
My friend, how dare you touch my regalia? Is something wrong with you? You smoke? How dare you to hold my regalia? How dare you to hold my garments? Something wrong with you? I'm married for this house. Them to come hold my clothes. They hear me? Say I go look for work. Which work I go look for? I didn't try my best. I didn't try my best to look for work.
Which best? For 4 years when they sack you for work, pay you, they not pay you. Waka for your money, no green waka for your money. Your honor to just sit down here and go cook, you eat, sleep, wake up. If possible, you go toilet. That's what you go to do for here.
Hey! So I go push myself inside company and go work.
Push yourself. Which kind Tukumbo husband want marry self? Tomorrow you call yourself husband, animal husband.
Hey! You call me animal husband?
Yes.
You write me off, but my God will write my story. And when my God will write my story, you shall dance and shake like a tree that is about to be cut.
See you, prophet. I don't see you now. Not be by preaching, no. Go find work, make up.
And I will see that work. And when I see that work, I will end the marriage.
Who even want to marry you? My friend, this marriage don't end though. It don't end.
Nonsense woman.
Thank God. Chineke kokole ojo. Alubole mo wem naji. Hey, Chineke me.
What kind of nonsense thing is that one? People they marry wife, they marry peace of mind. You reach my own turn, I go marry trouble. I talk fair ladies. The expenditure too much. Go end. Shay.
Ah, my God, yourself. Show. Hey! I don't know why women, you know they look at pocket size before they born children.
Hey, Bruce.
Ah, my guy.
Are they on your side?
Are they?
This one where your face like this, what did happen? What did they occur?
Life they toy with me. Life is not fair with me. Or say I marry fair woman. Life is not fair with me.
Shay! Drink out your sorrow. Hey! Guy, calm down and take am easy now. Talk to us. Be your guys. What did they happen?
Guy, my advice to you. Anything you do for this life, never you marry a fair lady. Because they will push you to the wall. Even if you don't want to go to the wall, they will push you until you reach the wall.
Guy, say what's it talk? I saw the other one won't put belly for my head though.
Which one?
That's my side chick now. You know Ngozi. I run for 40 for my life, brother.
I'm making up a gold DNA now. Check that for DNA. Come on, mind.
Every person will get money, they go DM me.
I forget that you broke.
I'm sorry. Don't forget some of my drink, you drink.
Sorry, no best.
My guy, now you make me I no one put anything woman for my mind. I do on my own, I drink my beer, I go house.
They on your own. That's the best thing. Than to go carry fair lady. You are endangering your life. You are putting your life in a trailer. If you try it. So how far now? When do you play for that Man U match?
Man, you match. Check, bring your phone, more check out.
What you probably play? I don't like him.
Guy, that guy go soon carry man you go relegation.
Check him.
Let me see Arsenal. Hey! Arsenal on my club now.
Hey!
I don't use Arsenal play.
What did they do here? Listen! Sit down. Lazy men. For Bible na 3 wise men we know. But for here, na 3 lazy men.
Madam, just imagine.
You are a very dangerous girl.
Now, why be this?
Hold on there. If you talk him, I go fetch your own water pour you.
Madam, you're a married woman. I don't expect this from you.
Do you know what it takes to have a family? Or do you even have one?
Madam, you're not single. You should be a virtuous woman.
You don't see me have fair lady, the virtuous. Eh? You don't see me have fair lady, the virtuous.
Hey! So now this man they suffer for your hand. My brother, follow your wife, they go. Hey! Come here, come pour person water.
Now me and you, they come that house. I will show you Pepe. You will know.
God have mercy upon us.
Now me and you today. Wait, make I go market come back. You go see me.
Jesus.
Peace of mind. I don't think get peace of mind. And they get pieces of mind. Marrying the wrong woman is very dangerous. I can't continue. I need to end it now.
Jay, help us.
I need to end it. It's too much.
There is God. There is God. God should descend. Today God will descend here.
Jesus.
You have to have capacity. This world can be something else.
This thing will end today.
Good evening.
Who you be now?
Go and ask your grandfather.
Now maybe the hookup girl where you order online.
Hook up girl order online. Hook up girl order online.
No be order me.
Now you have pay 50,000.
How?
I just pay 50,000 with this small nyash.
Hey! This thing dey cost money. This thing dey cost money. Oga pack well.
Now this nyash you collect 50,000 for. I know they talk that kind of me. I not pay 50,000 for this kind of small nyash now. Which one be 50,000 for this small nyash?
My nyash dey cost money. Now this thing dey cost money.
Okay, this nyash no reach 50,000. You go refund me my money.
My nyash no reach 50,000.
Okay, you go refund me my money. This nyash no reach.
After paying you.
So what happen?
They know they refund after paying you. No refunding after paying.
No refunding about what?
God have mercy
after paying.
upon
I
us.
don't tell you that. Once you don't pay, they say you don't pay. They know they refund.
If you don't repay,
For my 50,000.
I don't tell you finish.
One collect 50,000 for this small nyash. Me and who they do no refunding after payment. My money they do. Okay, refund me my money.
No they shout for me abeg. I don't tell you they no dey refund anything. No they shout for me.
Okay, refund me my money now.
If you don't want to tell me make I dey go abeg. For your
Okay, I don't dey talk that nonsense. Okay, refund me my money. Refund me my 50,000 or you refund me 46,500. This nyash no pass 35.
My nyash no pass 35.
Okay, refund me my
This thing no pass
50,000.
35.
Refund my 50,000. You no go refund me 46,500. You go refund me my 50,000.
Oh yeah, focus.
if you don't repay,
Come.
fire go damage your nyash
Okay, refund me my
forever.
money.
You dey shout for me abeg.
Refund me my 50,000 or you refund me 46,500. We will do am for 35.
My nyash 35.
Okay, this nyash no pass 35. Refund me my money.
Oh yeah, come force me now.
Ma come force you. I dey talk, you say ma come. I see dey talk. Okay, refund me my money.
You are a bad boy.
Oga no just touch me.
Okay, refund me my money.
Touch me. If you think say you be wearing me, I be wearing you. If you think say you be wearing, I be wearing me.
I be wearing you be wearing for my house.
Yes.
You be wearing for my house. Give me that phone first.
Okay, give my phone. You dey find my trouble.
Refund me my money
now. Trouble.
I go collect 50,000 for this one yarn.
Okay, give my phone. You dey find my trouble. You dey find my trouble.
You dey draw me for clothes. You dey draw me for clothes for my house.
Okay, give my phone. I know wetin I do to buy that phone.
You don't want my clothes to my house.
This is what I do to buy that phone. Okay, give my phone. No.
See, if you hold this clothes, I go do this thing. I no go pay.
You dey find my trouble.
Clothes again.
You dey find my trouble. Okay, give my phone. You dey find my trouble. You dey find my trouble.
I dey find your trouble. You dey draw me for clothes for my house. Touch this clothes again. I go do this thing. I no go pay money. Try am now. Touch this clothes. Make I do this.
Okay, give me my phone. No. You dey find my trouble. Give me my phone.
You never ready to collect your phone. If this phone follow me enter inside, you no go see this phone again. You dey refund me my 50,000. You go refund me 46,500. Who do it for 35? Hey! You dey do abi no dey do?
You know the shop for my
You know they do abi?
Oh my God.
This one follow me enter inside. You no go see am again o. You dey refund me my money abi you no dey refund me my money?
You know the shop for my ear, abeg.
never see anything.
Give me the phone, make I do the transfer, abeg.
They come my house, they tell me say you already.
Give me the phone now.
See now, so you say maybe I should pay 50,000. Now you go pay 50,000 for this small nyash. Which one you refund? You refund the 50,000, abi they refund 46,500. You dey do the 50,000, abi na 46,500.
The 46,000.
That's what they do for you.
Do am fast.
Look at my face. Like I could have killed a lot of people.
Because this small nyash, if big nyash collect 50,000, small nyash go collect 50,000. Even nyash, this nyash sef no even reach 35.
If you don't repent,
this nyash no reach 35.
No, if you collect 1,000, stingy man.
Do my transfer fast.
Okay, check your phone.
You never see anything. You never see anything. You just start. You never see anything.
No, they look me like that.
Okay, now my house you dey o.
No, they look me like that.
Oh God, have mercy on us.
Oya dey pass.
Kagwago.
Oga dey pass, make you do the thing. Man no dey shout for you.
Try am.
Man no dey shout for you. You see this 35 wey you collect, You see this 35 wey you collect? No worry. Shey you don collect 35, you go hear am.